The aerospace industry is currently facing a series of unprecedented supply chain disruptions that are affecting production schedules, financial forecasts, and operational strategies. These disruptions are a symptom of broader, multifaceted challenges impacting the entire aerospace sector. Manufacturers are grappling with significant backlogs, particularly for narrow-body aircraft, as recovery is not as fast as everyone would like it to be. These backlogs have grown as production slowdowns continue to impact the industry's ability to meet resurgent demand post-pandemic. The narrow bodies are wanted everywhere, but the reality is that they're just not there. Meanwhile, the sky is full. Demand for passenger flights has shot up 15% from last year when we saw the resurgence with the growth as twice as that. Every plane, old or new, is in the air. Retirements are on hold as airlines are keeping the old planes flying because the new ones are still only on paper. The price for used parts has shot up 20%. Everyone's scrambling for scraps, and here are more numbers. Right now, aircraft manufacturers are juggling a record 17,000 unfilled orders. To clear that backlog, they'd need over 14 years. It is double the average from a decade ago. Airbus, for example, fell short of its 2024 delivery goals, completing 766 aircraft out of a targeted 770. And while they're aiming for 850 this year, supply chain issues, especially for engines, might clip their wings again. With new planes in short supply, airlines are holding on to aging aircraft longer. The average global fleet age is now a record-breaking 14.8 years. Older planes need more repairs, and keeping them flying costs more. According to various estimates, up to 5,000 planes are currently parked, including 700 grounded for engine inspections. So the demand's gone through the roof since the end of lockdowns. As manufacturers are scrambling to churn out aircraft faster than ever, everybody is aiming to meet the rising tide of post-lockdown air travel. The quest for lighter, more efficient planes doesn't help, as it just means they need even more sophisticated materials. The pandemic, which we all still remember too well, didn't just halt flights. It disrupted mining, manufacturing, and shipping. Add geopolitical tensions, trade wars, and sanctions into the mix, and you've got a perfect storm. Ports are jammed, trucks are waiting on drivers, and factories are running out of parts. All this, of course, leads to production delays. Aircraft manufacturers are staring at empty warehouses, waiting for the next shipment that might never come. Component makers are in the same boat, short on everything from engine parts to avionics. Prices are climbing, and those costs are trickling down the whole supply chain. Everyone's feeling the pinch, from the big OEMs to the guys fixing up old planes in dusty hangars. Companies are now thinking of strategies to move forward. The plan involves diversifying suppliers and expanding the search for reliable partners beyond the traditional sources, taking a more global approach. Building strategic partnerships and alliances is crucial to ensure a steady flow of materials. Investing in new technologies and exploring advanced materials will push the boundaries of current capabilities. Additionally, increasing recycling efforts will contribute to sustainability and resource availability. The supply chain requires a comprehensive overhaul, focusing on improved inventory management and optimized logistics to ensure smooth and efficient operations. So, for now, it seems obvious that the aerospace industry is on the cusp of a transformation, emerging leaner, more efficient, and fueled by a spirit of collaboration unlike ever before. The challenges are daunting, but the potential for a stronger, more sustainable future is as vast as the open sky. So, fasten your seatbelts, as innovation is about to take flight. And in times like these, platforms like Locatory.com are making a difference. Locatory.com not only offers a vast database to meet the needs of air operators and their MROs, but also connects with unique suppliers who use Locatory.com as their exclusive marketplace. Customers of Locatory.com can plan ahead and save time by placing bulk orders, maximizing the benefits of using this marketplace. For decision makers at MROs or airlines, what are you waiting for? Locatory.com provides a global solution for aviation professionals to find, buy, and sell aircraft parts. Additionally, the platform offers industry-specific chemicals, assets, and equipment, all delivered through an easy-to-use interface with advanced tools and API connectivity for automated commerce. Explore Locatory.com today and see how it can streamline your operations. Let's work together to meet the industry's demands.